Hi, I'm Bert. Welcome to Bert's Bikes. I'd like to present a bicycle today. Today, I'll be presenting a 2015 Genesis Croix de Fer. This is a stainless steel bicycle, and it is known as a gravel bicycle. It has a carbon fork, very fast, and nice custom wheels with Hope hubs made in Barnoldswick, England. Barnoldswick. They are laced to Hydra H+ Sun rims. Greek mythology's the best. Then you have great things like a Shimano 1x11 transmission. That's 11 gears in the back, 1 in the front. GRX. Japanese. Another great Japanese thing on this bicycle are the tires. Let's check those out. Here they are. Gravel King. These guys are tubeless. They roll fast and you can ride them over mixed terrain. Check out this headset. Chris King. It's American. Made in Oregon. It's the best. So, the bike has some baggage on it. Check this out. This is a frame bag made by Restrap. After you've strapped it on and taken it off, the next time you just restrap it. Now we have a handlebar bag. This is made in the Bay Area of California, and that's called outer shell. So it's pretty handy. You open it up just like that, put things inside, you'll take your hand right out and then flap it right back on real fast and handy. You also see this great light, safety first. This is a bright light, also made in Barnoldswick by Hope. A few more items that are worth noting are the saddle. This is a Ritchie. It has titanium rails, and it's cut out in the middle here for long days and relief. One more thing I'd like to share with you are the brakes. This is a bit of a nerd point, and I'm happy about this because there's two differences on this bicycle between the brakes. This is a flat mount brake for a very modern fork with a through axle, and because the frame was made in 2015, there was no flat mount on the frame, so it has a post mount. So you'll notice the difference. This has an adapter behind the disc that supports the brake. Anyway, it was the way that I could use Shimano GRX by using Hope calipers. So that changed from the original GRX. Thank you for tuning in today to Bert's Bikes. See you on the road.